So now we are going to see one more thing which is very much important to you. Okay, I'll show what is that. So now I am going to the report 4 here. Okay, I am going to the report 4. When I preview, I got, so I'll give some default quarters. Okay, or else what I'll do, I'll go to the report 5. I don't want to show the report 4 because I need to pass the parameter, so I don't want to show report 4. I'll just go view, insert a table. I'll insert all the columns here. CID here, quarter, amount and balance amount. Okay, now I preview. Okay, done, I got it. But let's see, basically now you can see every report in a single page, right? So basically when you have multiple pages, then you will be having a page number, so you can go to the next page. Okay, now one more thing, when I print this report, I don't know whether this report is going to print in a single page or other page. I don't know. Okay, so how to see them is you can click here print option. Sorry, cancel. You'll be one option called preview. Sorry, print layout. When I click the print layout, then I'll be getting that report. How the report will be printed. So if I do the top 100%, then I'll be getting this one. Okay, you can see, yeah, because when I see the print, see you can see print layout. When I again double click, next time the print layout will be removed. Now when I click on the print layout, select the, instead of whole page, select 100% so that you can see the data clearly. Or I'll get 75%. Now I can see the data clearly. So when I do the print layout, I'm getting in a single page. Done. Okay, I'm good. And removing the print layout. Now let's see. I expanded some of the report size. Okay, this is the size of the page layout of the report. Now when I see the preview, by looking at the preview, it is there as it is. It is nice. But when I see the print preview, now I'm getting 2 pages. See, you can see the 2 pages. You are getting 1 page. You can see also the year. When I click, the second page is blank. Because now when I move this here to the right side, now you can see that the data will be printed in 2 pages. Half data will be printed in 1 page, other data will be printed on another page. See. Okay. Now by default, see, I'll just remove the print layout. When I remove the print layout, I am normal, back to normal screen. Now you can see all the columns in a single one. But when I do the print layout, now I can see the columns are divided into 2 pages. 75%. See, up to amount it is a 1 page. Then the balance amount is in the second page. Right? You will be erasing this kind of issues a lot. Not a single time, a lot. Okay? So the issue was that it may be in a simple thing. See, I need the layout in the same way. Whatever the layout I have, I want it to be in the same thing. But I want it to be printed in a single page instead of the multiple pages. Are you able to get my point? So for that purpose, what we will do, there are 2 kind of things here. When I click here and see the properties, when I click on the report, you can see 2 properties, size, width and height. When I click out of this one, then automatically other property is changed. It is kind of the report properties, it is kind of the body properties. Okay? Are you able to get my point? So now what I need to do, click on the body report properties, go to the interactive size. So now you can select the width of the report. Okay? Now you can select the width of the report. So how the report should be is that, what in the body you are having width is 7.95 and height is 2 inch. Okay? Width is 7.9. So what I will do, instead of 7.9, I will make round figure 8.0. Okay? 8 inch. 8 inch is a width and 8 is 2 inch. Height is 2 inches. Okay? So now when I click on the report, what is width? 8.5. Height is 11. Right? And at the same time, you can see the margins. When I click the margin, you can see left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin. So this is the way how the report will be. see the report properties only. Okay, see only the report properties. I'm selecting out of this. You can see the report properties, width, height and margin. So this is width, this is height. Okay, width is 8.5, height is 11. Let me see that, confirm once again. Yeah, width is 8.5, height is 11. And at the same time, you in that 8.5, okay, in that 8.5 you will also have the margin. Left side, right side, bottom and top. Right? 1 inch margin, left side, right side, bottom and top. Okay? And what is the space left after this? So now the width will become 2 left and right. They have removed 2. Means it will become 6.5 is the actual data. Right? Because 8.5 is the total width. In that you are having 1 inch as a border, left and right. So after removing that, you will be having only 6.5 leftover space, right? So next you have 11. 11 means if you remove 2, then you will have the 10. 6.5 as here, 10 as here. Okay? So 9. Because you are removing 2. 1. When you remove 2, you will have 9. So actual space you can use out of the total layout is 6.5 and 9. Right? But what is your report layout? When I see my body, it is showing 8 and 2. Right? Because I need the width of 8. But what is my available width? Only 6.5. But I want the width as 8. So there is no. So 6.5 will be printed in one page. Remaining leftover 1.5 will be printed in the other page. అర్థమైందా ఇది? So always remember the body width plus this left and right width. So body width is 8.5, right? Sorry, 6. What is 8.5? 8.5 plus left width and right width, 1 plus 1, should always be less than or equal to total width of the report. Okay, total width of the report is 8.5, right? So when I add that 8.5, sorry, it is my report size is 8, I think 8. Okay, my report body size is 8, right? When I click here, it is a size of 8. So 8 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So always my width of the report should always be 10 only. It should not be 8.5. Okay. Now let's see. I'll go to the report and I'll increase it the width, page size width as 10. Okay. So now what happens? Now I'll be having a 10 inch. 10 inch means out of 10 inch, 2 inch, sorry, I'll close this. The total my report property is 10 size. It is my total is 10 size, right? Out of 10 size, 1 will be going to the like left margin, and there's a right margin. So the leftover space is 8. The body size is also 8, right? 8 inch. So now when I preview now, you can see that report in a single page now. See, I have increased the size. When I see the preview, see, even though I have seen the print layout, you can see both everything in a single page, right? Yeah. So this is the one thing you need to always remember. Even the height also the same thing. Always see, remember once again, the body width plus report left and right margin. Width means left and right, right? The body width plus report left and right margins. Left and right margin should be less than or equal to the report width. Are you able to get my point? Same with the height also. Okay? This is an important thing that you need to worry. అర్థమైంది మీ అందరికీ? ఇంకోసారి చెప్పాలనా? ఓకే, మానస్ హలో చందన్ గారు చెప్పండి. Yeah, actually, we need to set out in the print layout. Accordingly, we need to set. So this is nothing but the landscape. So when I say this is a one way, or other thing, I can go to the, see, this is the report properties. See, when I click, I see, or else you can, in the easy way, you can go in other way, is that view. Sorry. Yeah, report and report properties. When I click, I'll get the same window because I have given the 10 as width, right? Now you'll be getting here. Yeah, మీరు ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు ఫార్మాట్. బై డిఫాల్ట్ నేను అక్కడ 10 ఇచ్చాను చూడండి, 10 సేమ్ ఇక్కడ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయింది. అలా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు, లేకుంటే ఇక్కడ ల్యాండ్స్కేప్ ఇటని ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. బై డిఫాల్ట్ ల్యాండ్స్కేప్ అంటే విత్ 11, హైట్ ఏమో 10 అయిపోతుంది. సో హైట్ యాక్చువల్ 8.5 ఉంటుంది. అలా అయితే ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు మీరు కావాలంటే. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వన్ వే. Sometimes even though after doing you may not fit this one, then what you will be doing, you may adjust, you need to adjust the column, or else you will be increasing the font size. Now I am getting the data, right? Okay, and there is lot of wastage space here. So how to remove them? I'll just move little bit. That's the one way I can adjust this space. Okay, see, I can adjust the space for each column. So even though if you find that is like the space is very much, you can't filter, you can't see them, then you can increase, you can reduce the font. Select that year column, select this text box. Now you can see the font here. Font by default, properties of the text box. See, you can call it as, yeah, this is text box. Now you can see font as 10. Now you can reduce to 8 or 6. I'll give 6. That's it. Now when I preview, you can see here only year value is the smaller, right? Because I changed it to 6 font. This is the one way. Other way you can do. Okay. Yeah, same ante old document ante. మీరు ఒకసారి ఎలా చేయాలో తెలిస్తే చాలా అంతే. Okay. So I am stopping this.